Good evening to Dr. Harith. We are students from Group 10, Business Accounting of Group G. And my name is Mooi Tai Meng. My message number is 298326.
My name is Tan Jun Bei. Matric number is 298180.
My name is Vincent Lee. Number matrix is 298413.
My name is Jing Ni. My national number is 298275.
My name is Chong. Phone number metric is 298625. And today we're gonna discuss about the group discussion of our business accounting report. So in this report, we consist of three parts. Before enter the part A, let us look around the background of the group discussion. The company involved in this group assignment, which is Zalzala Rashid, and we call it as Zal Enterprise, that sold the household item. And let us look about the instruction. The instruction given that we have to prepare the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income, statement of change in owner equities, and statement of financial position for Zal Enterprise based on above unadjusted trial balance as 31 December of 2023 and the attached additional information. In part A, there are some additional information provided, which is cash and there are most important information, which is cash and cash equivalent in 1st of January of 2023 were 554,500.
So now we look at the first additional information. Zauzia Rashid made a total cash withdrawal of 27,500. So we look at the trial balance. The withdrawal end of the year is 23,500. So means that the company was less record about 4,000 about the cash.
From my point of view, I think the cash withdrawal of 27,500 was not the final value of the withdrawal, but is the add-on to the, because the additional information is stated that it starts with the 1st January of 2023. That's why I think the 27,500 must be a increase in the withdrawal, but not the last value of the withdrawal. Do anyone agree to my point, or you guys prefer the transactions doing like gym based?
I don't really agree with that. I think that this is already final. Because he said that total withdrawal is this value in this year. So I think that this value is the final. As I said that this company was less record about 4,000 cash.
Yes, I agree with that, but this the statement, the additional information one is only state that the withdrawal of 27,500 is in cash. But from our learning of the business accounting, the withdrawal can also take from the inventories. Therefore, I think the 27,500 is not the last value, but it's just an increase.
Yes, I agree with you, Wei Ting.
Okay, I agree with Diamond's opinion.
Okay, then we assume that we use the second method other than the gym-based way, okay? For the first additional information, okay.
Okay, so let's look to the second additional information, which is Zal Enterprise received a cash for amount of 10,000 from the disposal of an old And we assume that the old van was sold and the account was deleted. Do anyone agree with me?
Yes, I agree.
Okay, so we assume we all agree that the old we agree that the old van was sold and the account was deleted.
Okay, for for the information, hey bro, 你先来 bro. For the information, third information, Zaldana Rashid invested additional cash of 1,500,000 to increase her stake in Zal Enterprise. So I consider this transaction is the increase of the extra capitals from the Zaldana Rashid. Do you guys agree with me?
Yes,
Yes, I agree
think
with
that
you.
is correct.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah, because there is like no such account in this trial balance. So we agree with you.
Okay, we proceed to the information for
In the information, Zhao Enterprise bought land by paying 100,000 and 180,000, and then obviously that the asset will increase 180,000 and the cash will decrease 180,000. Do you guys agree with me?
Yes,
Yes, we
Yes.
agree
that's
with you.
correct.
Alright.
So how about
So-
the last information?
Total cash received and disbursement from the business operation were 315 ringgit and 255 ringgit respectively. Total credit received is cash in and disbursement is cash out. Cash in minus cash out, we can get the balance 60,000. Do you agree with me?
Yes, I agree with
with
you.
that,
Yes, I agree.
but I think that I will explain more clearly. The total cash cash in, we will debit to the account cash about this value, and the credit to this value for the cash out.
Yes, I agree with you. Since the total cash receipt is considered as a revenue and the disbursement is considered as the expenses, so we can get a conclusion which is revenue is greater than the expenses, so the total profit of the Zoo enterprise is around 60,000. Since we had finalized the Part A additional information, and we are able to prepare the three statement, which is statement of profit and loss, statement of change in equities, and statement of financial position. Since we have finalized the trial balance in Part A, and we are able to prepare the three statement which is statement of profit of loss, statement of change in owner equity, and statement of financial position. So we can move to the part B. In part B, we have to explain the impact of omission under reference on the element of the accounting equation of ZAL enterprise, especially the net income.
the question A state that the depreciation of office equipment and delivery vans for the sum of 35,000 ringgit. Junbei, do you think
Yes,
this transaction will affect on the liabilities?
liability. No, I don't think that will affect on liability, because office equipment and delivery van are asset. Do you guys agree with me?
Yes, I agree with you.
Agree with you.
So now let's move on part B. Unpaid salary of 20,000. Jing Ni, so what is the effect on net profit?
I think the effect on net profit is decreased. Do you guys agree me?
Yes, I agree.
Yes, I agree with you.
Yes, I agree. So how about the effect on asset?
I think there is no effect on asset.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, if no problem, we move to question C. The available balance of office supplies in hand was 300. So Chong, is it effect on liabilities?
No, I don't think it affect of the liability, but I think it will affect the asset and owner equity will decrease because of the expenses increase, and it will affect the net income. It will make it decrease the net income.
Yes, I agree with you.
Yeah, I agree also.
Okay, so there is no problem. Let's move to the next question. A total of 7,800 of the unearned revenue was realized. Do you think it will affect of the liability?
I think yes, because unearned revenue is a revenue we earn, so that the liability will also decrease. Do you guys agree with my opinion?
Yes, I agree.
Yes, I agree with you.
Yes.
So now we move to question E. A sum of 40,500 insurance has already expired. Now I want to asking a question to Diamond. Do these have the effect on asset?
Yes, the expired insurance will affect on the asset because it is the prepaid insurance. Then when it expired, we need to realize the insurance expenses from it, and it will cause the asset to decrease. Do you guys agree with me?
Yes,
Yes,
I
I
agree
agree
with
with
you.
you.
I agree with you.
Yes. How about the question F? The billing department forgot to send invoice to a customer for a total sum of 24,400. Do this will affect on our liabilities?
No, I don't think it will affect the liability. I think the liability will remain the same, but the asset and the owner equity will increase as well.
Yes, I agree with you.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so let's move to the question G, and the question G stated the interest revenue of 15,800 was not recorded. Do you guys think that it will affect the asset or liabilities?
No effect on liability, but it effect on profit and loss increase. Do you guys agree?
Yes, I agree with you.
Yes, I agree.
So move to the next question. The next question it has supply invoice amounting to 135,000 ringgit were misplaced and only recently discovered. So do you guys think this will affect on profit and loss?
No, I don't think it will affect the profit and loss, but it will cause the asset and liability increase, and the owner equity will remain the same.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Okay, since the part B we had already discussed, so let's move to the part C. While in part C, we have to advise the appropriate credit terms to improve or increase the sale or revenue credit management, improve account receivable collection, and inventory management. the way to increase the sales or revenue from my point of view, I think that Zul Enterprise should offer a flexible payment terms. Offering a flexible payment terms to our customers, such as extend the payment period or installment plans, while this can make your product or services more accessible, and it will encourage your customer to make a large purchases. And Zal Enterprise can use cash discount to attract a new customer. They can fix a period for customer to complete their payment, and if they had paid within the time period, they would get a cash discount.
Sorry to interrupt, but I think the flexible payment terms will causes the customer not discipline to return their payment automatically. How will you solve this problem?
Okay, for this issue, I think because if they are paid within that period time, they will get an offer or a discount. But if they are overtime or overpaid, they are forced to be paid like a full amount of the product, or they have to pay more than the original amount.
Okay.
Okay, so everyone clear with my point?
Clear.
Yeah, okay, so
agree with that.
I think we can move to the next point.
So next point is this company should provide a customer support which can address any question that related to credit term. So this company can provide this service to customer after sales or selling to increase customer loyalty. So do you guys agree with me?
Yeah, I think this is one of the good point to improve it.
Yeah, I agree with you.
So let's move on. Next question.
Okay, the next question is the appropriate shipping term to increase sales or revenue, credit management, improve account receivable collection, and inventory management. So the first point is free shipping offer. Consider offering free shipping for order above a certain amount. This can incentivize customers to purchase more items to qualify for free shipping, thereby increasing the average order value. So the next point can be continued.
The another appropriate shipping term to improve sales and revenue is location-based shipping discount. This will provide shipping discount or promotion based on the customer location. This also can encourage sales in specific regions and help you target different markets effectively.
Yeah, a good
Yes,
point.
I think that's correct.
Yeah, okay, so since there are a lot of ideas to the question 1 and question 2, but from my point of view, for the question 1, which is appropriate credit term, I think that the flexible payment terms will be more appropriate, or in another word is which is more suit the situation given, because the high flexibility of the paying terms, it will provide more convenient to the customer. Like if they are paid within the time, they will get the discount, and they are able to pay less amount of the product. So for the second question, which is appropriate shipping terms to improve the sales or revenue, I think that the free shipping offer will be better. Do you guys agree with me?
Yeah, I
Yes.
totally stand with
Yeah,
you.
I agree with you.
Yes, I think so.
Okay, so since everyone agree with my point, so I think that is all of the discussion for this assignment. And thank you, everyone.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.